Bear versus Obsidian versus Joplin. Which note-taking app is best? Choosing the right note-taking app can dramatically improve how you capture ideas, organize information, and stay productive. Bear, Obsidian, and Joplin are three popular options, each designed for a specific style of note-taking. Bear focuses on simplicity and beautiful writing. Obsidian is built around linking thoughts and building a knowledge network. And Joplin prioritizes privacy, security, and open-source flexibility. This comparison breaks down how each app works so you can choose the one that best fits your workflow. Bear is a minimalist note-taking app built for clean, distraction-free writing. Its elegant, visually pleasing interface keeps everything focused on content, while Markdown support allows for quick and flexible formatting. Instead of traditional folders, Bear uses a smart tag-based system that makes organizing notes effortless and intuitive. Users also appreciate the ability to export notes in formats like PDF and Word, which is useful for sharing or publishing. Whether you are journaling, drafting ideas, or managing daily notes, Bear delivers a smooth and enjoyable experience. It shines when simplicity and aesthetics matter more than complex features, making it ideal for writers, students, and everyday note-takers who value clean design and ease of use. Obsidian is a powerful knowledge management tool built around locally stored Markdown files, giving users full ownership and control over their data. Its standout feature is the ability to link notes together using bidirectional links, allowing ideas to connect naturally and evolve into a personal knowledge system over time. The graph view provides a visual map of how notes relate to each other, which is valuable for understanding complex topics. With a large plugin ecosystem, Obsidian can be heavily customized to suit different workflows, from simple note-taking to advanced research systems. It goes far, beyond basic notes, making it ideal for research, long-term projects, and structured thinking. Obsidian is best suited for researchers, students, power users, and anyone who prefers deep interconnected thinking over traditional organization. Joplin is a free, open-source note-taking app designed with a strong focus on privacy, security, and cross-platform support. It gives users full control over their data, with features like end-to-end encryption, ensuring notes remain private across devices. Joplin supports Markdown formatting and traditional notebook-style organization, making it both flexible and familiar to use. It can sync across multiple devices using a variety of services, giving users freedom without being locked into a single ecosystem. Backed by an active community and growing plugin support, Joplin strikes a solid balance between simplicity and advanced control. It is best suited for privacy-conscious users, developers, and open-source enthusiasts who value transparency and data ownership. Feature comparison: Bear, Obsidian, and Joplin all excel in different areas. Bear is best suited for users who want a beautiful, distraction-free writing experience with minimal setup. Obsidian stands out for users who need advanced organization and the ability to link ideas into a growing knowledge network. Joplin is ideal for those who value privacy, open-source software, and flexible syncing across devices. Each app shines in its own way, depending on how deep and complex your note-taking needs are. Final thoughts. If you want a simple and elegant note-taking app that feels great to write in, Bear is a strong choice. If your goal is to organize research, ideas, and long-term projects through linked notes, Obsidian offers unmatched flexibility. If privacy, security, and open-source control matter most, Joplin delivers a reliable and trustworthy solution. The best app ultimately depends on whether you prioritize simplicity, knowledge building, or data ownership.